Hey there, LEGO friends and fellow builders and Harry Potter fans. So today I have a mini review and my thoughts and opinions on the LEGO Harry Potter set 40289 Diagon Alley. Now this is the Diagon Alley that is of the miniature version or micro version, whatever you might want to call it. Because you can see Mr. Ollivander there is quite a bit bigger than all the buildings. So, that's okay because I never had an Ollivander, so this was also a free set that I got a few weeks ago from LEGO when they had you spend $99 and over, and it was a special thing. So, anyway, that's really neat, so I'm happy I was able to get it. And we'll start here, and we'll just sort of do a full turnaround so you can see what it all looks like. Now from the back it doesn't look too great, except over right here in Weasley's Wonderful Wheezies, I think it's called. But in Weasley's Wizarding Wheezies or something like that. It has some shelves and stuff like that in here, so that's so that's kind of detailed right there for micro version. Now other than that, there's just like an alley here, and it's just like sort of a facade, if you want to call it so. Not sure exactly why they put this on this corner here in the back, because you don't really see it. So they could have left out all this detail in the back because it's really not noticeable from the front. And we turn it around here and we look at, okay, we got Gringotts Bank there, and we have Ollivander's wand shop right here. Then next to that would be Flourish and Blots, followed by the Quality Quidditch over here. And now I'm going to get it right this time. It's Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. So that's what it is. Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. That's this corner store here. So that's pretty cool. And you might remember my mock that I made, the real version of it, or the real minifigure sort of size version of it. But this is kind of cool. They used a minifigure head in this. So, that's neat too. One thing I like is the tiled cobblestone, which we'll zoom in and show you that in just a quick second. So, they use a paintbrush to hang there for a sign, some studs and some other little things there hanging for signs, and out front a statue, micro, the statue minifigure, and 3 tiers of the bank, and of course where the dragon comes through the top of Gringotts Wizarding Bank. So, all in all, it's not a bad little set, 374 pieces. I thought at first it would be a chintzy small set, but once I got it and got the box, I'm like, wow, that's actually got a lot in it. And then starting building it, I took my time building it, so it was really fun to do. Now here is a view here of the cobblestone bricks, which I'm sure you can see there. It's like they're printed, so that is like super cool. Those are going to be super rare pieces because I don't think they're in any other set that I know of, and they're printed on, so that'll be something everyone's looking for probably out of this set, so that's kind of neat. And of course Mr. Ollivander himself, yes, yeah. So that being said, I like it. I like the use of the purple and the orange for Weasley's. The Quality Quidditch, I guess that's a broom, which is why they used the little paintbrush, minifigure paintbrush for that. So that does look cool, and on the sign there is like a gold stud, so I presume that would be for a golden snitch. So that looks really neat. And Flourish and Blots, well, it's pretty plain, but it resembles it. So it's not that bad. And if we go to Ollivander's wand shop, it's clear through. It would have been nice if they had like a background to darken that up a bit, just in behind there, because you can see the light right through the translucent clears. But they have that 4 sets of windows, 2 lower and 2 upper in the real building, so you know that represents it, I guess, as close as you're going to get it. And of course the street lamps they have here as well. Nice little chimney effects here going on. And let's just zoom in a little bit more on the bank, as close as we can get it. It's pretty neat. I mean, they use these like they could be Technic pin, or they could be they're like a connector piece, and they just fit on the clips, and they use them for the pillars in this. There's so many variations of Gringotts Bank, and even Diagon Alley itself. Who knows what is correct? It's even changed from movie to movie in the real live movies. So what it could be, who really knows? I think this is a fantastic little set. Like I said, it was free, which made it even nicer. However, this is a set that I think if they had produced to sell, I probably would have purchased it, because it is of the Harry Potter series. That being said, I would think it wouldn't be worth any more than $45 to $50 Canadian. That would be pushing it for this particular set, of course. But of course, you never know, they might push it at more than that. So that being said, they had it listed for, I think, around $19.99, saying that, you know, this is what the value of it is. So that kind of like makes me wonder why they price sets the way they price sets. If this was worth $19 and they're giving it away for free, why some other sets have less parts and not as rare parts, not even as good a set, and they charge a lot more for them. So I don't know how Lego does pricing whatsoever. It's really confusing. It just boggles my mind. But I gotta say that this particular set is really neat. So if you had a chance to get it for free, or if you see it down the road, maybe on Amazon or somewhere, you might want to pick it up. One thing I'd like to mention is right up here on top of the minifigure's head, they used a white stud with a hole in it, with like a black sausage element. It's a black sausage. I've never seen a black sausage, or hot dog if you want to call it that. And that sort of rests against that, so that the hat fits right in on another stud on the end of the top of that hot dog. So that is a really unique use of the hot dog piece, especially being in black. Now I'm going to try to get this on, and of course I'm not. I'm going to make a mess out of everything. And having said that, they got a happy face and a frowny face on this minifig's head. So we're going to put the happy face, because that's generally the way it is there. And that looks like he's tipping his hat. So that's that. So I hope you enjoyed my thoughts and opinions on this set, because I sure had a lot of fun building it. Set 40289 Lego Harry Potter Diagon Alley in micro scale. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.